Okay, so this exercise is called a one-legged dumbbell deadlift. So I'm just going to hold a dumbbell in one hand, and that hand that I'm holding the dumbbell in, that same leg is going to come up behind me as I come down with that dumbbell. Okay, so on the leg that is standing, that is stationary, I want that leg to have a slight bend in the knee. Okay, I do not want that knee locked out, just a nice soft knee, slight bend there. And I'm just going to slowly come down and come back up. Now, one thing I want you to really pay attention to with this exercise is when I come down with that dumbbell, I want that leg that's coming up to stay high enough that it's almost like it's even with my back. Okay. So notice how when I come down, you can tell from the side here, my leg is coming up as high as I can, pretty much. Okay. I don't want that leg just staying like where you keep your foot close to the floor. I want that foot to come up high as you come down. Okay. So that is really important on this exercise. This one is going to work your hamstrings and all those little stabilizers in your legs. Okay. All right. So go out, give this one a try, and make it a great day.